All right, here's a few more Pythagorean theorem problems just to kind of review. First of all, first problem, here's the right angle. So these two are our legs. This would be our hypotenuse. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and b are our 8 and our 10. Our missing side is our x. So when we do the math here, 64 plus 100 adds up to 164. Then we have to take the square root to unsquare it. The square root of 164 is 12.8. So this is an approximate answer. This is the exact answer. Okay, let's try another one. Here's our right angle. So these are our legs. This will be our hypotenuse. So 273 squared and y squared equals 305 squared. 273 squared is 74,529 and 305 squared is 93,025. To solve, we need to subtract the 74,529 from both sides to get the y squared by itself. And when we subtract this, we get 18,496. That's still y squared. That's not y by itself. So we have to unsquare it by taking the square root. Square root of 18,496 is 136. Since that turns out to be a whole number, this is an exact answer as well as this. So this is also exact. It wasn't a decimal that we rounded here. All right, and then we have one more kind of problem. Here's all three sides of the triangle. We want to know, is this a right triangle? So in this case, our largest number is our C value. So 14 is going to be our C, and our 6 and our 12 are our A and our B. 6 squared is 36, 12 squared is 144, and 14 squared is 196. When we add these two together, we get 180, which does not equal 196, which means this is not a right triangle. There's no right angles in it. Okay, so there's a quick review for you.